Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of skincare and bring you the latest insights from products that promise to enhance your beauty routine. Today, we're exploring a product that has caught a lot of attention, especially for those with sensitive skin: the Cetaphil Gentle Clear Repairing Post-Acne Serum. Now, if you're someone who's been battling post-acne marks or uneven skin texture, you've probably heard of this serum already. Cetaphil has earned a reputation for catering to sensitive skin, and this serum is no exception. It's touted as a retinol alternative with Bakuchiol, an ingredient gaining serious attention in the skincare world. But how well does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The serum is designed with a gentle yet effective formula. It's made to target post-acne marks, enlarged pores, and uneven texture. The key ingredient here is 0.5% Bakuchiol, a plant-derived retinol alternative. For those of you with sensitive skin, this could be a game changer. Bakuchiol is often celebrated for providing similar benefits to retinol, like boosting collagen production, smoothing out fine lines, and promoting skin renewal, without causing irritation or dryness. In addition to Bakuchiol, the serum includes Zinc, known for its ability to absorb excess oil and balance skin tone. Prebiotics are also in the mix, helping to support the skin's natural barrier, which is essential if you're dealing with sensitivity or compromised skin. What's more, the formula is free from oils, fragrances, and other potential irritants, making it gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. From a real-world perspective, incorporating this serum into your routine is surprisingly simple. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated but not heavy. It works well both in the morning and at night, making it easy to integrate into your existing skincare regimen. I applied it after cleansing and toning, and it layered well with my other products without causing any pilling. Now let's talk about results. The promise is that within 12 weeks, you'll start to see improvements in your skin tone and texture, especially post-acne marks. After using it consistently for a few weeks, I did notice that my skin appeared smoother and more even-toned. I'm someone who occasionally struggles with acne scarring, so seeing improvement in that area was a welcome change. While it didn't completely erase every mark, which is a tall order for any product, it definitely helped in making my skin look clearer and more refined. Pros: Bakuchiol is a great alternative for those who can't tolerate retinol. Zinc and prebiotics provide additional skin benefits by calming and protecting the skin. Gentle formula suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. Hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and oil-free, perfect for sensitive skin types. Hydrating without feeling greasy. Cons: the 12-week claim is a bit ambitious for quicker results, so don't expect instant miracles. It might not be potent enough for more severe scarring or skin texture issues. The price may be on the higher end for some, especially if you're comparing it to other serums on the market. When we talk about value for money, it's important to consider the brand. Cetaphil is known for dermatologist-recommended formulas that are gentle and effective, but it can be pricier than some other drugstore brands. However, given the ingredients and the fact that it's targeted towards sensitive skin types, I do think it's worth the investment for anyone who needs a reliable, gentle serum that works over time. There are some alternatives in the market, especially if you're looking for something more affordable. The Ordinary's Bakuchiol serum comes to mind, and it offers similar benefits at a lower price point. Another option could be CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum, though it contains retinol, which may not be as suitable for sensitive skin. As far as build quality and longevity go, the packaging of this serum is standard for Cetaphil: simple, sleek, and practical. It comes in a 1 bottle, which is a good size for a serum, and you don't need a lot to see results, so it should last a while. Now, if you're someone who has sensitive skin and is looking for a serum that will gently address post-acne marks without irritating your skin, the Cetaphil Gentle Clear Repairing Post-Acne Serum could be a solid choice. It delivers on its promises of soothing, hydrating, and improving skin texture, especially when paired with a consistent skincare routine. Mid-review call to action. If this review has helped you make a decision or given you more insight into whether this serum is right for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This helps other beauty lovers discover honest reviews just like this one. In conclusion, I'd recommend this serum if you're looking for something that offers gentle care for sensitive skin, while also working to improve your skin's tone and texture over time. It may not be a quick fix, but with consistent use, it certainly delivers results that are worth the wait. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Cetaphil Gentle Clear Repairing Post-Acne Serum, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for a link to purchase the product if you're interested. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic.